Healthy living for a healthy life. Having a healthy living is the most important factor in our life. Most of us know that living with a healthy body is the best path to live happy, to feel better, and to look better. Healthy living will lead us to the point where we can enjoy life to the fullest until we grow old and will never experience anything that might harm us or give us pain. In this article, we will take you in the world of healthy living and a healthy lifestyle. It is, and yet it provides you the most natural way on how to develop yourself up for a better and healthy person. Also, we will give you essential information that can be incorporated into your everyday life. At present, most of the people in the world have a fear of different diseases, and we are commonly looking for the best prevention. One of the best preventive measures to avoid illness is a healthy diet. Remember that prevention is better than cure. This famous line can be applied to anything in this world. Eating healthy foods is a vital factor to be away from some immeasurable diseases and to have a good condition of our body. Each one of us knows that eating healthy and having regular exercise will lead us to a healthy lifestyle. There are a lot of healthy recipes that can be seen in some health magazines. These healthy living magazines can be purchased from any bookstore in your locality, as well as healthy living catalogs where you also find the guidelines of the food pyramid. Speaking of the food pyramid, it is a group of food that tells the importance of eating a variety of food that we need every single day. It shows the food that we need to eat less, and those that should be eaten much too. To name one, carbohydrates are the most essential food in the pyramid that we should take because it gives us more energy for our everyday tasks. Next are the fruits and vegetable group, which is high in protein. However, bear in mind that too much is not good and will have a bad result. Eat only that is necessary and avoid eating food that is more in calories and fewer nutrients. Cooking light is the most common way of losing weight. Many of us are suffering from obesity with the main problem of weight loss. In our present time, natural living is introduced and promoted, the natural holistic living. Life is full of challenges, they say, but we can avoid too many trials, especially when it comes to our health, if we have a healthy living. If you notice the vegetarians or the green living people, you will get to know that what they are practicing is really amazing and fantastic, the organic living. However, the body still requires us to take proteins from various sources, such as eggs, meat, and other poultry products with an only limited amount, just to sustain the food pyramid. Having all the things done appropriately, forever young living will be achieved, slowly but surely. Some of healthy living articles like this give healthy living tips which are very useful and helpful for everyone who wants to start and act now to gain a beautiful life today and for the next years of their lives. Here are some of the necessary matters that we sometimes tend to overlook. There are some simple yet essential ways to have a healthy living. You can practice them anytime to improve the overall health of your body. If the body is in good condition, the proper metabolism will result in good digestion, will lead to a better flow of the blood, and will give us more energy to perform our daily tasks. It is a chain of organs and system, and if they all work correctly, the brain will work properly too, to help us think well of better ideas. You can look and feel better when you perform a healthy living. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new.